Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a color spotlight. I'm here to show you the color Minx by Tony of Beverly. And I have Phoebe in this beautiful color. So if you want to know more about Minx, I'll show it to you. Okay, before I get started, I just want to say I already filmed this video once and I made a mistake and I had mixed up the color code cards somehow. I don't know how it happened, and it was just a tragic mistake because I've already did the review on the wig. So if you want to know more about Phoebe, then go to my review. I will link it in the description, and I tell you all about this wig in that, and I also do a comparison with another wig, and I do refer to it incorrectly in that video, so please keep in mind I had these mixed up. I had this and I had the color Silverstone both, and so that one I'm referring to them incorrectly, and I tried to fix my mistake by putting text in my original color spotlight of this, and it was too confusing for people, so I decided to refilm it. So this color is Minx, and this color is a silvery medium dark brown with 75% gray. That's how they describe it. The dark brown is super minimal. This is kind of a salt and pepper color, very heavy on the salt, not a lot of pepper. It is a bright kind of silvery white color throughout most of it with just a sprinkling of dark brown. A very light sprinkling of dark brown. Let me show this one to you up close. There are no roots on this one. The color is consistent all the way through. And it's got just a very light sprinkling of a dark brown. And the rest of it is a silvery white color. It is such a pretty color. This color reminds me a lot of my mom's hair. My mom passed away in 2008, and she had, her hair was just a beautiful silver. You know how some people are just so lucky when they go gray? Their gray is a beautiful silver. It's not like a mousy, bland gray. That's how her hair looked, and she had the light pepper running through it. Just like this. It's so pretty. Now, what I want you to keep in mind, and why I didn't realize my mistake in the beginning, was that this color in some other brands looks a lot like Silverstone, not in the Tony of Beverly line. Silverstone is, and I just refilmed that one, so I'll show it to you real quick. Silverstone is more of a light brown with some pearl platinum. This is Minx. This, and it can be confusing because these vendors name things differently, but this one, if you're looking for a white, kind of a salt and pepper, heavy on the salt, very bright white, very classy, then you want this one, which is Minx. Again, I will refer you to the video on this style if you're curious about Phoebe. Otherwise, let's get outside so you can see this color outside. I am not refilming the outside section, so I do refer to it incorrectly outside. I call it Silverstone. It's Minx. Keep that in mind. Sorry for the confusion, you guys. I apologize from the bottom of my heart. I hope this helps if you're looking at these colors, and this one gives you an idea of what this one is. Thanks for watching.
All right, everyone, let's take a look at this beautiful Silverstone outside. I'm trying to get the phone way over to the side so you get the hair and not so much my face. There's not a lot of shade available to me right now. It's so bright out here, I'm having trouble looking at the phone. So we're just kind of doing the best we can with what we've got. These outside looks in the dead of winter here are really challenging. But at least it's outside and at least it's bright, right? beautiful color. There's no doubt about that. All right, you guys, there you go. Hopefully that helped you.